Hey everyone, welcome back to Today, I'm super excited to show you how to create stunning videos using the DJI Osmo Mobile SE, a powerful gimbal that turns your smartphone into a professional camera. Whether you're vlogging, shooting cinematic sequences, or just capturing memories, this gimbal has you covered. Let's dive in. The gimbal itself is really well built, with intuitive controls, comfortable grip, and a sleek design. It's designed to stabilize your footage, so even if you're moving around, your shots will be smooth. Setting up the Osmo Mobile SE is really simple. Just clamp your phone into place, make sure it's balanced, and then power it on. The gimbal automatically stabilizes, making sure your phone stays level no matter how you move. Next, connect your gimbal to the DJI MIMO app via Bluetooth. This app unlocks all the advanced features like active track, time-lapse, and more. The Osmo Mobile SE offers several shooting modes. In follow mode, the gimbal smoothly follows your movements, which is perfect for general shooting. Tilt-locked mode keeps the tilt axis locked, ideal for walking shots, while FPV mode gives you a more immersive, dynamic feel. The DJI Osmo Mobile SE also comes with some cool special modes. Time-lapse and hyperlapse let you capture the passage of time in a dynamic way, while the panorama mode stitches together wide, sweeping landscape shots. And of course, there's slow motion for those dramatic moments. This gimbal is lightweight to your hand and pocket as well. It is the best gimbal under 100 pounds. One of my favorite features is Active Track 5.0. Just tap on a subject in the DJI MIMO app, and the gimbal will automatically track it, keeping it in the center of the frame. This is perfect for vlogging or capturing action shots. To get the most out of your Osmo Mobile SE, here are a few filming tips. Move the gimbal slowly and smoothly to avoid jerky movements. Experiment with different angles to make your shots more interesting, like low-angle shots or overhead views. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to the channel for more interesting videos.